Now let's have a small practice with variables f and input box. I define two variables, dim int age as byte. Why byte? Because byte, as you know, it's between 0 and 255. So people age could not be negative. Also, it is not nowadays at least more than 255. So that's enough. Also, dim str name as, of course, the name is string. Now I will get from input box int age equal input box. Please enter your age. Actually, it is better first get the name. Cr name equal again input box. I think written by wrong input box. All right. Please enter your name, or what's your name. Okay. And then we're gonna check the age for verification. If int age is bigger or equal 18, then message box welcome to application, you are allowed. Else, which means it is not bigger than 18 or equal, is less than, message box, msg box, sorry, space, use ampersand, the name, cr name, ampersand, and your age is not allowed. Maybe exclamation mark. And finally, of course, end if. So if the age it is equal or more than 18, welcome. Else, sorry, you're not allowed. Let's run. Enter your name, Sam, age 36. Okay. Welcome to application, you're allowed. But if I set, for example, Alex and 10, sorry Alex, your age is not allowed. So simply we could use variables, input box, and age verification with if condition block.